Welcome to Secrets Cap Cana, an adults-only luxury resort located just about 25 minutes away from Punta Cana International Airport in the Dominican Republic. This resort is located on beautiful Cap Cana Beach. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations, and today I'm bringing you a junior suite pool view at Secrets Cap Cana. As you enter the room, you'll have your closet located here behind these wooden doors. Of course, you have your robes, safe, plenty of storage in here. You've got the bathroom located just to the right. Here are double sinks. You've got all of your towels and your standard amenities in the bathroom. You do have your full-length mirror on the wall there, and then your rain head shower. Plenty of space in there, and then your separate water closet. Here's a closer look at some of the amenities that are included in the bathroom. And then take a look at this room. I just love the wood tones and how warm and comfortable that this room feels. You can see a better look at where the closet is located, and then you've got additional storage located in this credenza in addition to your mini bar. You've got a coffee maker, all of your glassware, small sitting area. Here's a closer look at some of the storage. You've got drawer space here, so there's plenty of room for all of your things. And then here's a close-up of the mini bar with water and soda and local Presidente beer. And then here is your balcony. You do have a jacuzzi. This is a pool view suite, so you will have a beautiful view of the grounds and the pools here. If Secrets Cap Cana looks like the right resort for you, make sure you contact me at the link below, and don't forget to subscribe for my next resort tour and review. See you in the next one.